Hey guys, how is the going? Today I'm gonna show you on tips to make your Windows PC faster. And you may click on the next video to play. You may like my video, share, and also comment. A very first tip is how to turn off visual effects in your computer. This feature helps you to turn off effects that may appear in your computer that may slow down your computer. These effects include like you are using internet and you receive some animation that you have not requested for. To do this, you need to click on Start menu, search for Performance, click on Adjust and Appearance of Windows, adjust your performance or your visual effects to the best performance. Previously or by default, it may be let Windows choose what is the best for my computer, but to be on the best side or the light side, adjust your computer for the best performance. And when after clicking of OK, it will apply and it may increase some speed in your computer. Our next tip is you should set or to make your computer more faster or your desktop, you may switch your power option to high performance. To do this, you need to go to settings, and the shortcut key for opening the settings, you need to hold the Windows plus I. So after doing that, you go to System, you go to Power and Sleep, so go to additional power settings. So after doing that, it will automatically open Control Panel, Hardware and Sound Power Options. So by default, your computer is in balanced power option, and to increase the speed or to make your computer faster, you need to set your computer to high performance. After doing that, you will notice a very big difference in your battery drainage because it will drain the battery to high level. So it is recommended while using your laptop in high performance, you plug in your charger or your power. So but in desktop, it is the best way recommended. So our next tip is to check your system file. So to do this or to check your file, you need to go to search menu, type cmd or learn as administrator. So sorry for that. In the cmd, type sfc /scan now. So this takes time to complete, though it is helpful because it scans all your files, and if it comes across an error or corrupt file, it will automatically notify you, and you may need to replace something or work on something. Google may help at such point. So it usually takes time to complete. So our next step or next tip is to take advantage of the Windows automated maintenance. So to do this, you just go to the Control Panel, System and Security and Maintenance. So you drop down the maintenance option, you check the last date or the last run when your computer maintenance was run. So if it has been for a while, you can start maintenance or check maintenance settings. By default, it is usually by 2 AM, which in case your computer may be off, and the default option, it is not allowed to open. So you may look for time while you may be using your computer and apply that time so that your computer may always learn the automatic maintenance. So our next tip is to reset this computer. This may help because you may have a problem in your computer that may recover after resetting, but before doing this you need to back up your file, but it also depends on the option you will select. So you'll need to go to the settings, update and security. So go to recovery, then reset this PC. You get started. So choose the option you want your computer to reset. It will depend whether you have backed up your file. This is helpful. So our next tip is to disable Windows set tricks. It is automatically enabled in your computer, but to disable this you need to go to settings, again Windows logo key plus I, system. You will get notification and action. So after scrolling down you will see that show me tips about Windows. It is automatically on. This may slow down your computer because Windows may trick how you are doing in order for you to for it to display anything related with what you are doing. So you need to automatically turn it off. Next tip is to learn Performance Manager. This will give an idea on which may slow down your computer. So you need to go to search menu. So type performon/report. So the performance or the resource and performance monitor will learn for just 60 seconds or 1 minute. This will give an idea of anything that may be wrong in your computer, and now you will be able to fix it quickly, or it will be helpful. It usually takes 60 seconds. After that it will automatically generate system diagnostics report stating your computer name, duration. So you can see it took 65 seconds to do that. So this report may help you to look for the error or what might be causing your computer to slow down. Our next tip is free up your space or uninstall the unnecessary applications. So you need to go to settings, system, you go to apps and features, and it will display the applications on their storage, the date of installation and any other detail. So if you have unnecessary application here, you can just right click on it and uninstall. It will speed up your computer because this may take up your space in your laptop. You remember you can also do this by opening the control panel, then go to programs, so program and features, and you can see all your programs, the way they are running. So you can just still right click on a program, then uninstall it. This will speed up your computer. Our next tip is disable mini startup programs. So your computer may have a lot of programs that start automatically when you start up your computer. You may disable them so that your computer may have a quick startup, and also it will speed your computer's speed because some things that are running in background may be disabled. So to do this, you need to open Task Manager by holding Ctrl, Shift and Escape. So after opening the control manager, go to startup menu and you will see the enabled startup applications. So you may right click them to disable them, so that you will also speed up your computer or increase your computer's speed. Next tip you need to know is, so you may be working all the day with a lot of programs learning in your home. You need to restart your computer. So click on the start menu, restart your computer. This is a different from shutting down or hibernating your computer, because restarting will close all applications and restart them again, not just shutting them down, because some applications, even if you shut it down, your computer will still run. So restarting will be the best option. Our next option or the next tip will be clear out your startup services. So hold Windows logo key plus R and run the following text. So services.msc. so at it will open a services window. So you will have a really be careful on this, because some programs might be dangerous or some services might be dangerous while disabling them. So still you can do this by opening the start menu and search for this PC. So open it, which automatically it opens the file explorer. Go to properties, advanced systems, setting. So go to advanced, so go to settings. So it will bring back the previous window that you will adjust your computer for the best performance. If you let the computer to stay to default or let Windows what it is best for my computer, that might slow down your computer. So next tip is disable animations. Go to control panel or just in the search bar, search for control panel, go to ease of access center, go to make your computer to see. Okay, after doing that, you need to turn off all unnecessary animations when necessary or when possible. This will make your computer faster, especially when you are using other services like internet. So after pressing OK, it will out. Okay, our next tip is keep yourself updated. So you need to check for updates or new releases of your Windows. So you need to go to settings or just hold Windows logo key plus I. You go to settings, update and security, and you need to check for update or Windows update. You need to check for updates. So our next tip is your drive health. So note something, you can do this in two ways. First of all, you need to open the CMD or the command prompt and run it as an administrator. So when you learn it, type the following text, WMIC. So after typing that, type the following text, disk drive. Note that it is one word, get status. get status, click enter. If you see all your drives states okay, note that your computer drives all your drives are okay, there is no problem. Note if it displays something else except from okay, you may need to replace your driver or get a new one. You can also Google search the problem and you can fix it. So the second way to do that is learn it as administrator. That type the following or learn the check disk command by typing check disk chkdsk/f. So and hit the enter. It will tell you the type of file. It is in NTFS, whatever system. So you may need, so still you can specify the type of disk or drive you want it to learn or to check for its status. You can still type the check disk, but this time you specify which type of disk you want to be checked. So it will still tell you the type, and now it will learn and tell you everything. Note, if you notice that something is wrong, you need to replace your driver. Our next tip is check for memory issues. So you can do this by holding the Windows logo key +S to search for Windows memory diagnostics. So after doing that, hit enter and be careful on which option you will select, because if you select restart now, it will restart and fix the problem. So I would prefer if you check for problems next time I start my computer. So by doing that, it will fix the problem. It may detect the problem that might cause your computer to be slow. So you will be able to fix them because you can now. Those are some of the tips that to make your computer faster. You can click on my next video to know more about that, or to click on the next video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. If this was helpful, subscribe, like and share.